Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks in Jira using labels and swim lanes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer tasks in Jira using labels and swim lanes, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project dashboard where your tasks are located. Locate the board view that displays your tasks in column. Identify the swim lane you want to use for organizing your tasks. If you don't see any swim lanes, you may need to configure them. Click on the board settings icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Select the Swim Lanes tab from the sidebar menu. Choose the swim lane configuration according to your needs. You can select options such as queries, assignees, or epochs. Now proceed to add labels to your tasks. Open the task you wish to transfer by clicking on it. In the task view, find the Labels field. Click on the field to add a new label or select an existing one. After adding the label, click Update or Save to confirm the changes. Next, return to the board view and find the swim lane corresponding to your new label. Drag and drop the task into the appropriate swim lane. You may need to refresh the board to see the updated organization. If you want to move multiple tasks, repeat these steps for each task. Review the tasks in their new swim lanes to ensure proper organization. Adjust swim lanes or labels as necessary to keep everything clear. Utilize filters to view tasks by labels if needed for better focus. Keep communication open with your team about any changes made. Regularly review your tasks and swim lanes to enhance efficiency. That concludes the detailed guide on transferring tasks in Jira using labels and swim lanes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.